The SureCall N-Range keeps drivers or passengers connected in the city, in the country, and wherever you need to go. N-Range improves all of the cell signals you use to call, text, run apps, and stream data. And it works with every carrier in the US, Canada, and Mexico. The N-Range uses extended range technology, the most powerful cell phone signal boosting system available. Unique to SureCall, this captures and boosts the signal at its strongest point to keep you connected to the nearest cell tower in areas where you would otherwise have dropped calls, undelivered texts, and bogged down data speeds. Taking just seconds to install, simply place the N-Range antenna on the roof of your vehicle. Place the magnetic phone mount on the air vent or with the passenger who needs the boost, and power up the booster. Because it fits in the palm of your hand and usually takes less than 1 minute to install, it's easily stowed and transferred between vehicles. Our lives don't always exist within the range of a cell tower, but you can still stay connected with the SureCall N-Range.